video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Cyberball MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click over here and get the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here, as you can see. Now let's get inside the MLO. So in the entrance, you will get this type of look over here. So in the center of the map, you will get this small aquarium over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.